Hello guys, welcome to NXBTO new video, and in this video we're gonna give you an update on the Bitcoin price, and basically to celebrate the fact that we are still holding above our channel, the top of our channel. Also to highlight, that despite of US dollar index strength at the moment at 103, and basically showing signs that is actually getting rejected, finding resistance at this line, this indicator line, so every time the US dollar index moved, in this case moved from green to gray, we kind of find support at the bottom of our channel, and from gray, during gray, we basically move sideways. The price moves sideways, and when it moved from gray to red, we managed to move up, conquering 19,000, our 19,000 level, and find resistance at our 23,000 level. And it's good to notice that again, when the indicator moved from red, changed from red to silver, we kind of, the US dollar index kind of found resistance at the 105 level, like we highlighted. If you go and watch our previous video, we explained this indicator, and we basically use this indicator to find the best time to actually be invested or buy Bitcoin. At the moment, of course, when it moved from red to gray, found resistance under 5, and changed from silver to red again. And what happened? We found support exactly our 19,000 level, and bounced again, and finally destroyed the 23,000 level, and challenged our 29,000 level. As we are still struggling to find support at our 29,000 level, these of course give more confidence to the dollar index, where it's trying to move from red to silver again. But at this time, we'll see how long it's going to stay here. If it's going to get rejected, or if it's going to break and possibly challenge the 105 again, which wouldn't be great. But as we are basically stuck or holding support at this level, especially on the day that this event is finished, has just finished, today is the 20th of May 2023, which we mentioned before, that would be the end of this major event. So if you invested in Bitcoin, let's say at the beginning of this event, on the 10th of November 2022, you would be up, roughly speaking, with current price, up 72%, but possibly could be you could have 97% gain by the moment. If you didn't sell, you're still holding, you are up 72%. So congratulations to everyone who believed when we mentioned that the bottom of our channel would be very, very important level to hold, and conquering major, resistance level, becoming support, would give confidence to the market to continue to go up. But currently, of course, we are finding resisted at our 29,000 level. We couldn't hold that support yet, and the DXY at the moment is finding resistance at this line, which if he continue to find resist at this level, this would give confidence to Bitcoin to actually hold this level a little bit longer, or even flash and test the top of our channel, or worst case scenario again, our 23,000 level, and just to finally get rejected again and challenge this under level. So this video is just to basically celebrate that we were right to call support at the bottom of our channel, and currently still holding at this level, with the possibility of the next event, which will be the next event will be, of course, between today and the next, this line. We would love to see Bitcoin going sideways or having some further gains, who knows how much, but we know where our Fibonacci level are, and possibly 29,000, our 36,000 level, 46,000 level. We know where we can go on this next event. Of course, we don't want to go, break to the downside and start losing support again. This would be a very bad sign. Seeing DXY gaining momentum and challenging the top of this line would be bad for Bitcoin. So we have resistance at this silver line on the DXY. We have the top of this trend line, this resistance line, 105. We would like to respect this line and then come back down, while Bitcoin can find support at the top of our channel. Worst case scenario, 23,000 level. Otherwise, would invalidate the fact that we're already out of this channel somehow. And yes, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to give an update on this chart, but the XY is only going to be updating on Sunday. So probably Monday I'll release another video to see how if our green line cross the red line to the downside. And of course, based on the Bitcoin price, we'll see if this ratio would finally, because this line is today's day, it's the end of the event. And if we go to the previous, we believe that this event, between this line and this line is the same. Bitcoin is on the same position right now as it did in 2019 bear market, and on the 2015 bear market is between those, these two lines. We can see in 2015 that within this event we had the green line crossing below the red line, and this ratio was able to actually hold above or below the green line. So within this event we had the cross we broke this trend line, the downside, at the cross, at the RSI touching the 18.62 level, and after the event, we managed to stay below the green line, the 50-day moving average. In this event of 2019 bear market, we had a cross. Within this event, we had this ratio breaking the upward trend line, the downside. We also had the touch of the RSI on the 18.62 level. We had this RSI, this ratio crossing above the red line just days before, which was a sign a sign of weakness on the trend just before the event. But in the this current event, the one that finished today, we have this ratio breaking, of course, the trend line to the downside. Did not have a touch within this event. You know, it's not likely that's going to happen today or tomorrow. Did not, you know, the red line didn't cross the green line didn't cross below the red line yet, at least within this event. But we still have this ratio above the 50 and below the 50 and below the 200 days. So hopefully the next few days is going to be really important to see. At least on Monday, we're going to be able to see if the cross happen and if the ratio does not cross above or above moving average, which to me would be a sign of weakness, because we don't want to cross below above the green and red line like we did on this occasion. You know, of course, we had a cross above, which was a sign of weakness. Days before, it was telling us that something was wrong, and we stayed above the 50-day moving average, green line, for a while, but ultimately had a flash, you know, break to the upside due to the pandemics. So I would like to see this ratio below the 200 days moving average, and also would love to see RSI getting rejected on this trend line, yellow trend line, and not going above the 53.91 line on the RSI. After this event, and of course, I would not love to see this ratio going above these two lines. It wouldn't be bad if it is happening. That would mean that price would go down. So probably would be another opportunity to buy back low, you know, buy Bitcoin at the lower levels. But of course, if we want this trend to continue, if you want to see Bitcoin conquering 29,000 level, we would love to see this ratio always below both green and red line, and having this RSI as well getting rejected from this zone and touching the 18.62 level. So that's it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. I know I spoke a little bit more longer than I was expecting to speak, but it's all for a good cause. And congratulations to those who believe on the change of the trend and during this current event. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.